If that was an issue, I think you should have picked a different date, not a movie.
मेरे दिमाग में जो फर्स्ट चीज आया बाजू में my shortest was 3 weeks 12 days 6 seconds
Proudly single.
So am I, proudly single. Ready to mingle or not? What happened? What happened? You can get all personally with her, but chala.
2 years let's say and she still
What is this?
there was let's say this girl her
चलो उसका नाम आप ले बोल. I'm scared for this one. Welcome to another video on Mad Lad Studios, and this is Lads Dating Recap. And this is where you will find out what me and Sati have been doing in the past 1 year, and let's get a dating recap today.
this is gonna be sad.
It's gonna be extremely sad.
How many days did you brave through this year?
Let's start with you since you have only one and only one.
So this year was pretty depressing dating wise
Okay.
because I was too focused on making money.
And how much did you make this year?
Still making counting. तो मैं एक डेट पे गया था
हाँ.
and I met this girl on Bumble.
Okay.
And then so we went on this movie in Geo Theater.
बैंड्रा वाला.
Bandra वाला
पैसा
yeah.
बहुत है.
तो वो मेरा नहीं because see that's my one spot.
हाँ.
मैं अगर किसी को भी फर्स्ट डेट पे जाना है मेरे को किसी के साथ
फर्स्ट डेट पे मूवी पे जाता है लड़की के साथ.
अभी मेरे पास इतना
I'm impressed. इतना कुछ क्या बाहर खाने के लिए लेके जा सकता है. You could go to a bowling alley. And अच्छा, since this was your first date, did you give her anything like something like a memorable gift or flowers or something?
not really because
You don't?
no मतलब ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल नहीं थी वो मेरे लिए मतलब फर्स्ट डेट पे मैं क्या ही दूँ
Special
मतलब
in that
I only
way.
spoke to her मतलब एक हफ्ता बात किया
हाँ.
and then she only wanted to meet me. I was like ठीक है अभी
She only wanted to, तो देखो नहीं मिलना था उससे.
वो मिलना था पर इतने जल्दी नहीं मिलना था ना
अच्छा,
एक हफ्ता बात
देखो और
करके
टाइम चाहिए था.
हाँ and then
Then if that was an issue, I think you should have picked a different date, not a
अरे
movie.
मेरे दिमाग में जो फर्स्ट चीज आया बाजू में
I mean, but how was the movie? What movie did you watch?
I think we watched there was this one scary movie that time Nun का कुछ तो आया था
अच्छा, Nun.
हाँ.
Oh shit.
so it
That
was
could have been a nice bonding कि वो डर गई तो उसको ऐसे something ना, nothing like that
नहीं
happened.
मैं ट्राई किया था वो but
इधर try मत
नहीं
कर.
उसके साथ and then yeah I didn't like
It didn't work out.
हाँ I didn't get the correct vibe from her and then उससे मैं बात करना छोड़ दिया
छोड़ दिया फिर कभी बात नहीं की उससे
नहीं
वापस.
फिर बात नहीं किया tell me about you 3 dates
Yeah, I've had a all right-ish year. अच्छा ये साल था. My first date of the year was pretty good. We had shot अपन मंडो का वो शूट किए थे. मंडो का पॉडकास्ट शूट किए थे and I was already late. So was she. And it was a pretty good date. We talked a lot and हमारा vibe था पहले से. We met in college. तो काफी अच्छा मुझे लगा ऐसा होने वाला था. But then it actually never turned out. The date was pretty nice. We hugged when we left. We talked, we chatted, we had a few drinks. इधर उधर share किया. But then end में अबे क्या हंसते हैं?
I remember मंडो के पॉडकास्ट पे you were telling भाई मेरे को निकलना
है मेरे को जल्दी निकलना है. But then it never worked out. मैं तो चाहता था कि अच्छा कुछ होए उसके साथ. So I think not a successful year, I guess.
we shot that in
September, yeah.
6 months down
6 months down the line, nothing. Nah, it never
Nothing.
worked out. Sad ही हो गया.
You have to move on.
To move on, हाँ,
Yeah.
of course. Other than that, the other 2 dates उसमें उतना मजा तो नहीं आया मुझे. It was just ठीक है
when you
मिला.
take her out the second one
I think Juhu में for lunch, and it was a good lunch. Nothing too fancy, but it was all right.
what do you like want the other person to talk about on the first date or what do you talk about
I mean, first date का तो गोल यही है ना, to get to know the person, थोड़ा कुछ पता चले उसके बारे में, and and you find out things about her, what her likes, dislikes, and I think some interesting stories.
I think I've never taken out anyone on a first date for a lunch or dinner क्योंकि मूवी देखते देखते फिर वो
पर बात कैसे हुई मूवी
नहीं
देखते देखते फिर मुझे
मूवी
समझ
देखते देखते बात हो जाती है
सब शॉक हो गए वापस बोल वो स्टेटमेंट.
I think I've never taken out anyone on a first date for a lunch or dinner
Where do you take her to? Your home?
no comments
No comments.
No
Okay.
comments. Just like a chill movie and I see if the vibe is good and after the movie if she is still enjoying the date we'll go have some ice cream or
So then तेरे बाकी डेट क्या मूवी देख के घर वापसी? मतलब
हाँ, मतलब
हम दोस्त ऐसे मिलते हैं, मूवी जाने देखते हैं, चल भाई मिलते हैं भाई, बाय बाय.
हाँ अभी
It's a date. Okay, fair. I mean,
जितने भी मैंने बात की है लड़कियों के साथ
हाँ.
एंड जितने को भी मैं डेट पे लेके गया हूँ इट्स ऑलवेज बिन दैट वन प्लेस And I don't know, I think I have to change that.
I think you'll have to change
Yeah,
it.
maybe that's the reason of the dry spell.
Dry spell.
Yeah.
No, we both have had a long dry
Oh wait,
spell.
you didn't tell the third one, right?
Third one, yeah, it was just दूसरा ही lunch था, उतना कुछ crazy तो
Mid.
था नहीं, ऐसा मजा नहीं आया, so it was good.
Okay, next one.
But yeah,
Out of those, how many scored a second date?
I think only one of them went on for a second date. The main one जिससे मैं sad हो गया था, उससे कुछ नहीं था, but मैं थोड़ा खुश था कि backup तो था मेरे पास कुछ तो दूसरा.
क्या इतना
So
गंदा
then
बैकअप सोच के रखता है.
लड़कियां भी ऐसे ही सोचती, मैं भी ऐसे ही सोचता हूँ. See, and we were not dating or something, so there was no this. We just went out, we just met. So ऐसा कोई scene नहीं था. So then this was another one. So I was talking to her behind. पहले बात हो रही थी, फिर उसने भाव देना बंद कर दिया, मेरा भी बंद हो गया. फिर बोला, उसने वापस मैसेज किया. So that's when I started talking to her, and then it went out pretty well. Second date इसके साथ 2 डेट पे गया, but then
Third date नहीं मिला.
Third date नहीं मिला. But do you guys believe third date के बाद it's like of you that you date or something? Or third date's the off thing?
After third date, if you make her feel that way, then
हाँ.
her will open up to you more.
Correct.
In the first 2 dates, I don't think so. She will let you in her
Personal space. Correct.
But after third,
हो सकता है.
हो सकता है. If you make her feel that.
What are the minimum number of dates to get to that dating phase? ऐसा कुछ होता है? Minimum number होता है क्या?
Six.
6 dates. 6 dates? 5 to 6? Actually 5 to 6 dates. 2 मतलब?
Calculative. They are सोचती है. हाँ. आपको
बहुत
लगता है
सोचता
कि
है.
she is easy to catch, but वो बहुत सोचती है. She thinks about you. If she is into you, she will think about you the whole day. कैसा है बंदा, मैं इसके पास जाऊँ ना जाऊँ. And then she gets
नोट्स लेना शुरू कर देगा.
हाँ,
पेन देना
ये
समझ
मैं
देखो
book
मेरा किधर
निकाल
गया.
रहा हूँ.
देखना मेरा चीट शीट है मेरे पास. We should take down notes and start learning, I think.
Yeah.
But, yeah, fuck
That's
it.
why I think we have
हाँ,
more
चुना
girls
है.
in Madlands.
अरे हाँ.
Don't take notes on.
Well, half maximum. I think whole of our other than me, Samarth and Kadu, our whole
Samarth
team is.
count कर रहा है.
Samarth को count. Oh shit. नहीं. So what? It's my brother. भाई है मेरा, कुछ नहीं. But joke तो अच्छा था. देख Samarth को count कर रहे. But नहीं. हाँ, I think all of us. I think we are only other than we 3. बाकी सारे everybody in the team is female. 7 girls and 3 guys. Underpowered भाई इधर तो.
Kshitij.
हाँ क्षितिज भी है ना. अरे तो नाम sorry. But yeah, this date it never worked out, and I think I'm glad मेरे को बहुत time मिला मेरे इस साल career पे focus करने को. I could take it up one notch
Yeah.
higher, and
That's the only benefit when you don't focus on girls.
you
Career,
not
college.
exactly focus on girl. ऐसा कुछ
Yeah.
नहीं है. It's just when you do see. अगर बंदी भी होती तभी तो तेरा
Yeah.
energy उस पे focused रहता.
Yeah,
You would have been doing
exactly.
something with that energy. So instead, put it into something that could तेरा पैसा कमा के देगा तेरे को. That's the goal.
Yeah.
So might
Well,
as
I
well.
went on 0 second dates, so I can't relate.
Oh shit, that's too bad, man.
Next slide.
So-
How many non-labels did you entertain?
How many non-labels? Oh, this was a pretty good. I think the number 3. It was a day out. It was Aryan's day, Aryan baby's day out. So I met somebody for breakfast.
Yeah.
Which is a very nice breakfast. I had eggs and I talked and we had a good time. After that, it was उसके बाद था फिर lunch का time. फिर मेरे को भूख and I picked out a place. मुझे स्टेक वे खाना था तो मलाड में स्टेक हाउस करके एक है. उधर गया, वहाँ पे lunch किया. That
किसके
was-
साथ? First वाली के साथ?
Second one, second chick that I met. And then रात को then little dinner / dessert. I met one third person. 3 girls, yeah. 3 course meal in the day.
Player, man.
Player, no.
Yeah. Crazy.
But that was a good time. But it was just meeting them for different.
खर्चा बहुत हुआ होगा.
खर्चा बहुत हुआ. Purposes नहीं, but different meals of the day. Sorry?
घर पे गया था.
हाँ दोस्त के घर पे गया था ना फिर वहाँ से.
प्लान करके रखा था पहले. ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर.
But yeah, that was
डेजर्ट में
one.
क्या मिला?
Dessert तो नहीं मिला फिर उसके बाद घर गया. काजू कतली, जॉन अब्राहम काजू कतली. ऐसा करता है ना. But yeah, I think it was 3. It was a very good day out, baby's day out, and
Baby से.
उसके बाद फिर कार्ड का बिल देखा तो समझ में आया कि ये baby's day out और नहीं होने चाहिए अभी. And what about your 2 non-labels that you
I
entered?
had 2 non-labels the previous year, and both of them, I was talking to them simultaneously. So
मतलब सामने बैठे के अलग
नहीं
ऐसे बात
नहीं,
कर
I
रहा
was only texting them, so it was
Okay.
only talking stage तक पहुंचे थे.
हाँ.
And मेरे को एक पे मेरे को बहुत अच्छा, like I was starting to catch some feelings,
Oh.
but then she started to back off because that's girl behavior.
come on, that's
Not all
that
girls are
behavior.
bad.
Not all girls
Some are really good.
हाँ नहीं नहीं but ठीक है सारी लड़कियां वैसे नहीं होती, so you cannot categorize it that way.
Yeah, and then the second one, I think, she started giving me more attention than the first one.
तो तू तो कुत्ते जैसा हाँ
नहीं
कुत्ते जाते ऐसे गया कि
नहीं, मैं फिर फोटो रिप्लाई चालू हो गया इंस्टाग्राम पे।
हाँ
और फिर बाद में मेरे को दोनों पे मतलब मैं बोर हो गया कि क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं ये। फिर इंटर्नशिप भी चालू हो गया, कॉलेज भी चालू होने वाला था, तो मतलब हटा हट
बटा
नहीं
अच्छा
बात करना मेरे को किसी
so then you stop talking to them.
से। या
तू उनसे मिला कभी आज तक फेस टू फेस?
नो
सिर्फ टेक्स्ट पे ही बात करता
हाँ,
है?
text
कुछ मिलने का इच्छा कुछ होता नहीं
नहीं,
है घर
अरे
से
मैं
बाहर? फोटो खेल के हाँ फोटो रिप्लाई खेल के तक जाता है, फोटो देख लिया ना उसका अभी
हाँ, वही।
but I think you should, I think if you have to make something meaningful with anybody, be it friends or girlfriends or a woman, I think it would be to go out and spend some time. थोड़ा बाहर जाएगा ना, उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करेगा, इन अ वे you'll be out with her instead of staying at home and texting. और texting पे what मैंने मार खाई is मेरे को तो उसका मैसेज समझ में नहीं आता है. When sometimes if there's a good ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो कुछ फ्लर्टिंग हो रही होगी, नहीं समझ में मुझे तो नहीं आता, और मैं तो मुझे तो समझ नहीं आता है texting.
To your this thing, have you heard about that famous voice note that was going around everywhere?
वो जो
एक बंदा-
वो 4 बजे फोन किया था वो लड़के ने, ये सूरत का ही कुछ था ना कुछ तो, हाँ वेट मेरे पास मेरे फोन गुजरात का था.
Texted her 10, I mean, was texting basically.
Texting,
or
हाँ,
10 years
हाँ.
old.
શું બેટા બહુ કરવાની ઈચ્છા થાય છે?
and कड़ू नहीं भाई, and his mother started the phone कि क्यों text करवानू बहु मन से करूं, ऐसे स्टार्ट की थी वो. she started the call with saying क्यों भाई text करने का बहुत मन करता है तेरा, मेरी बेटी को रात को मैसेज करती है, मैं करता है.
फिर उसकी माँ और मासी दोनों
दोनों चढ़े और टैग टीम किए बेचारे लड़के पे, और लड़का बोलता है ओके ओके बोलता है, वो पूरे कॉल में ओके ओके ऐसा कुछ बोला था. हाँ मम्मी पापा को मत बोलना.
उसकी माँ बोलते कि ट्यूशन में मेरे को
वो पूरा स्क्रिप्ट याद है उनका वॉइस नोट का।
इट वाज हॉरिफाइंग. उसकी मम्मी ने जो बच्चे की धज्जियां उड़ाई है उस वीडियो में, शी जस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयड दैट चाइल्ड कि मेरी बेटी से बात कैसे किया तू.
One question that I want to ask.
हाँ.
What do you, I mean, I don't know, but what do you mean by non-labeling? Like,
नॉन लेबलिंग लाइक इट्स नॉट कि गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड है, बट इट्स लाइक
situationship.
सिचुएशनशिप की. हाँ
what are
ऐसा.
your views on? अभी ये तो जो तुमने
हाँ,
बोला,
ये
like,
तो हुआ.
Is that, do you prefer अभी वापस if you?
No, I wouldn't prefer. I would prefer to put all my energy and time in one person if that's there. That's what.
Maybe at one point in my life till last year I was like I don't want to date anyone. I'll just see by meeting people कैसे है वो लोग. But then I realized it's not the right way, and
हाँ.
you just you have to find that one person after all eventually, like our friend has.
Yeah, like our friend has. He's found somebody very
Yeah.
well for him, which is very happy. जितना भी हम मजाक तो उड़ाते हैं, but खुश तो बहुत है हम तेरे लिए. So I mean,
Basically, dating is way better than having a situation.
Yeah,
yeah,
definitely.
मतलब ठीक है यार, you can do that surrounding thing, but then in the end, if you're serious about each other, I would might as well put a label and say, हाँ तू मेरी बंदी मैं तेरा बंदा, ठीक है उसमें. As long as हाँ सिचुएशनशिप
Yeah.
जो स्टार्ट आउट होगा, बट वो कितने टाइम तक तू खींच के रखेगी, वो कितना ही. मैं भी थकी जाता हूँ, मैं भी उससे बात कर रहा हूँ. आई एम ऑल्सो टायर्ड ऑफ टॉकिंग, आई कैन नॉट टेक इट फॉरवर्ड, नीदर इज शी विलिंग टू नॉर एम आई. सो वो सिचुएशनशिप में रख के you're wasting your
You
time,
get burnt out.
burnt out,
eventually.
and then if she's one in a million वाली बंदी and नहीं मिलती है, then it pisses off more.
Yeah, exactly.
Instead of being in the situationship, अगर थोड़ा हिम्मत करके मैं बोल दिया रहता उसको, तो वैसा हुआ रहता है. अरे मैं इफेक्ट के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. इफेक्ट के लिए. अच्छा रील बनेगा इसका. लोग लाइक तो करेंगे, गाली क्या रहा, लड़कियां बोले
लड़कियां देखेंगे ना.
स्वीट बॉय वाओ.
हाँ.
तू कब से गुजराती बोल रहा है? हाँ.
Girl, Marathi girl, or I don't know.
Hmm.
She's dating a Gujarati boy, and then she cutely says, it's a गाली.
हम तो एक
रिक्शा वाले को बोलता हूँ
रिक्शा वाले को.
बैंड्रा नहीं जाना तेरे को. Your longest and shortest non-relationship adventure.
My shortest was 2 days and I'm still shocked
2
at it
days.
कि ऐसा
What
हुआ
did you
भी
do
है.
in those 2 days?
अरे नहीं ऐसा कुछ साथ में नहीं रह रही थी वो मेरे
अच्छा.
साथ. So मेरा एक दोस्त था,
हाँ.
he was वो किसी को डेट कर रहा था, and then he set me up with his girl का, my girlfriend की friend. तो हम लोग मिले and मतलब with his girlfriend का मतलब, अरे मतलब उसकी बंदी की दोस्त थी, वो अच्छी थी and she was very pretty, and अपन मिले, we met, me and the gang. फिर we went to जुहू, फिर अपन बांद्रा गए, खाना खाए बाहर, we spent a lot of time together. We
Yeah.
talked. then whatever हुआ कुछ तो हुआ रात को, फिर अगले दिन थोड़ी बात हुई, and then there were some incidents that happened in क्या बोलते हैं उसको, what is it called, in a order, exact, हाँ chronological order, एकदम वैसे हुआ कि मतलब इधर 5 मिनट का भी गैप मिलता ना तो सिचुएशन अच्छा हो जाता था. It was that bad कि फट some bad things happen and then it got destroyed. तो 2 दिन के अंदर ही केस क्लोज्ड. वो बहुत फुकती थी तभी मुझे मालूम नहीं था ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में.
हाँ सिगरेट
अभी मालूम है मुझे. तो बट ओपिनियन इज सेम, नो स्मोकिंग किल्स, बट वो बहुत फुकती थी तो मुझसे वो होता नहीं था. एंड देन शी यूज्ड टू बी ऑलवेज हाई व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू मीट, तो थोड़ा इफी था मेरे लिए, तो दैट्स व्हाई इट स्टॉप्ड ओवर देयर.
सैड. एंड लॉन्गेस्ट
वाज 2 months. आई मीन ये तो होते रहता है. अभी लॉन्गेस्ट 2 महीना तो चलना ही चाहिए बात करा किसी से, 2 दिन तो नहीं होना चाहिए.
well my shortest was 3 weeks, 12 days, 6 seconds.
अरे what happened 6 seconds? किधर क्या हो गया, इतना क्यों रो रहा है? What happened with her?
So there was, let's say, this girl, her
चल उसका नाम पापलेट बोल. पापलेट आगे.
पापलेट.
हाँ.
तो I knew her from college.
Okay.
And I used to watch her stories and I used to like करता था, and वो भी मेरे stories देख के like करती थी. तो फिर बाद में I slide into her DMs.
You slid
Yeah,
into
slid
it.
into her DMs.
How do you slide in like this?
Yeah.
Wow man, देख रहा है रिश्ता है, देख भाई मैं हम सबसे ज्यादा है मिला के.
Slid into her DMs. And then we started talking.
Okay.
First week, okay, good. Second week,
Okay,
second week I thought.
You are running out of weeks by the way. 3 ही है.
Yeah.
अभी second week पे आ गया.
Second week I thought, okay, she's like, I should meet her in college and see how she's like
Yeah.
IRL. So I met her. We spoke, थोड़ा आगे पीछे बात किया. And then
आगे पीछे बात किया. क्या भाई?
and then
हाँ फिर क्या
and
हुआ?
then third week
पे आ गए.
हाँ third week
Final week.
third week पे आ गए तो मेरे को पता नहीं, मेरा इंटरेस्ट वापस चला गया कि she is not my type. Like I wasn't really, एक बार बात करने के बाद यू अंडरस्टैंड कि फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन के बाद
कैसा होता है
कि कैसी है वो. एंड देन मेरे को इतना कुछ उस पे ये नहीं आया. आई डिडंट लाइक हर दैट मच.
आगे पीछे बात करके मजा नहीं आया उसको. फिर
तो मैं ठीक है छोड़ अभी नहीं ढूंढते.
बट ऐसा हुआ तो देयर आर कभी ऐसे कुछ इंसिडेंट्स हो जिधर मैं किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ, देन सडनली देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. ओवर मे बी वन वर्ड, मे बी मैं कुछ ज्यादा ही पिक्यूलर और मैं कि मैं वो एक ही बात पे मेरा मूड ऑफ हो जाता है उस आदमी से. बट देयर इज समटाइम्स व्हेन यू मीट समबडी एंड दे से समथिंग एक्सट्रीमली स्टूपिड, it's just I lose this for them कि नहीं बात.
Yeah, there are a lot of people who, even it's me. Even I feel that अगर कोई, see basically मैं भी बोलती हूँ थोड़े stupid things, but there are
agreed. हाँ agreed. वो तो सही बात तो तारी आए.
sense of humor जैसा कुछ है. अभी ऐसा कुछ बोल ही दिया that it's hurting you also.
Hurting and it makes you uncomfortable. कुछ weird ही बोला है कि ये आदमी से तो भाई छोड़ो रहने दो, या even if it could be a girl also.
There is one more thing, like you said, कि she was pretty. But is pretty होना important?
Yeah, of course.
भाई उसका सवाल तो खत्म होने दे. हाँ of course.
फर्स्ट वही होता है मेरे लिए तो.
First वही होता है, but like is looks everything.
Everything तो it's impossible. मैं वो मुंह को देख के क्या ही करूंगा एंड में. बात करने को तो चाहिए मुंह चाहिए, दिमाग चाहिए कुछ तो. So conversations रख. देखो मेरे को थोड़ा इंटेलेक्ट, थोड़ा just some ambition, a mix of self ideologies, an opinion, a personality, बस दैट. बाकी तो कुछ नहीं. बाकी शक्ल तो सबकी अच्छी है, अलग सबको पसंद नहीं आती वो सबका पर्सनल ओपिनियन है कि तेरी शक्ल गंदी है नहीं है. It's not you. एग्जाम्पल उधर पॉइंट किया मैं. तेरी शक्ल गंदी नहीं, तेरे को ही मालूम है.
हाँ भाई इसकी
तो फिर बंदी है तेरे पास, हमारे पास नहीं है. हम क्या बोले तुझे शक्ल गंदी है तो तेरी गंदी नहीं, डोंट वरी. मैं बस ऐसे पॉइंट में बोल रहा था कि सिचुएशन में बोलेगा तू तो हम कोई है ही नहीं डिसाइड. बट face, yes, because that's the only first thing you will see ki oh wow she is fair skinned, or oh wow she has nice hair, or red head or something like
redhead?
that.
Oh, you like redheads?
No, example दे रहा था. तो मैं example so ऐसे first look is वो बोल दिया of
What
course.
was the question?
सिर्फ मुंह चाहिए मुझे, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Important. Like, is that
शक्ल शक्ल है.
No, like but the first thing you see in a girl is her face. Yeah, so that's what matters first. But then after you talk to her, you see her personality, and then थोड़ा पता लगता है. So I would say it's like 80-20. 80%
face.
how she looks.
Just face.
For me at least. 20%.
Fair. अरे तो क्यों नहीं, उसको पसंद है. At least he knows what he likes.
Yeah.
That's fixed.
Yeah.
yeah. वो कुछ बोलने वाला था आगे कि हाँ मैं और बोलूँ but fair but
ठीक है.
भाई is actually asking the tough questions.
Yeah,
हाँ,
bro.
full plan करके आई है.
इसका भी एंगल लेना चाहिए था. How many people made it to the actual dating zone? मैं मेरा बोल देता हूँ
बोलना.
क्योंकि कुछ है ही नहीं, जीरो. Nobody.
Nobody. अरे it's okay, no
Yeah.
problem. Next year. मतलब
2020
this year.
2026 is my year.
6 नहीं 25 चल रहा है अभी. Try this
ये
year.
तो ये ट्रायल ईयर है.
Trial year. But हाँ one of mine हम लोग एक फिल्म शूट कर रहे थे and उसमें भी वो looking for an actress and नहीं थी तभी we were on a shortage की shit किसका what do you call audition ले नहीं ले. Then I was at a party and I met a few friends. तो वहाँ पे मेरी दोस्त थी and she made me meet the new friend and then she told me she was a model and actress too. And then we hit it off. We felt very comfortable. और बहुत अच्छी बातें हो रही थी. इसके साथ भी चलता तो crazy हो जाता लाइफ अभी तक.
लाइफ सॉर्ट हो
तो
जाता
लाइफ से बोलता हूँ ना मैं. तो ऐसा it was like a different level कि vibe हो गई थी and then we worked on that film. The film got put out. Very nice film. But then end में almost there फिर मैं ही हगा था उसमें वापस.
And did
So-
you talk to her again about?
We tried. See, we met a couple of times, but then it never actually happened. आगे बढ़ा ही नहीं फिर.
Sad.
वो बस.
फिल्म का link
फिल्म का लिंक इज इन द
किसने बनाया था
किसने
फिल्म?
बनाया था? समर्थ बोराडे एंड टीम.
हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली. बहुत अच्छा फिल्म.
समर्थ बोराडे फिल्म.
समर्थ बोराडे फिल्म था ना. It was a very good film. एक बार देख लेना उसमें. It was our first attempt to make something really good. And हाँ, so it never worked out. But it was almost in the dating zone. थोड़ा सा इधर नहीं रहता ना तो फिर it would have been
तब से
the
ड्राई
one.
स्ट्रिक तेरी चालू हो गई फिर.
क्या बोल रहा है?
तेरी ड्राई स्ट्रिक तब से चालू
नहीं
हो
नहीं
गई.
इसके बाद थोड़ी मस्ती की मैंने. बहुत
अच्छा,
मस्ती की
मस्ती
इसके
की.
बाद. फिर एक दो लोगों को आई थिंक आई मेड देम फील बैड और उसका अभी मैं भुगत रहा हूँ मेरे को लग रहा है ऐसा.
Karma.
एक दो सिचुएशंस में ऐसा आई थिंक आई प्लेड इट ऑफ वेरी बैड एंड आई थिंक आई एम गेटिंग कर्मा फॉर इट.
Bad
Which
guy.
is fair. ए क्या बैड गाय अभी देखते हैं ना आगे पता चलेगा अभी.
Oh,
अब पता
no.
चलेगा बैड गाय. So, what were your top 3 types this year? Let's start with yours. I'm very intrigued
Okay.
to read about the last
So I
one.
have to say this very carefully, otherwise
Yeah, of course.
I'll be in a lot of trouble.
Fitness
Fitness
oriented.
oriented.
What do you mean fitness oriented?
So someone who prioritizes their fitness
Hmm.
and their health,
Okay.
and they don't let themselves, become unhealthy.
Okay. So what if I were to say she's fitness oriented. ठीक है, she's fitness oriented.
ठीक है.
Is she fine? मतलब वो रोज जिम जाती है, एकदम हेल्दी खाती है, but she's still little this.
If she's just started, then yeah, sure. But if she's been,
पकड़ी हो
if
गई.
she's been going to the gym for 3-4 years, 2 years, let's say, and
हाँ.
she's still
हाँ. What is this?
this, then I would, stay away from her.
Stay away.
What? I would not be.
Just say you're not interested.
I would not be interested
Simple.
in
There are ways you can say without being hurtful.
Fuck it. Yeah.
Fuck it. ठीक है. Second.
Second is, see, rich parents, because that's always a benefit. If you find that girl and she is extremely wealthy, like generational wealth,
Okay.
like billions.
ठीक है.
Only
चलो,
till billions.
I have another situation for you. One more fitness oriented girl
Okay.
who has extremely rich parents. Very rich. मतलब तेरा life मेरा भी life निकलेगा हाथ में. थोड़ा पैसा भेजते रहना मेरे को. Will you marry her? Or will you?
Yes.
You'll yes. कुछ नहीं सीधा शादी.
Yeah.
गोल्ड डिगर ये निकला है. अरे
Generational wealth.
generational wealth. I mean
Yeah.
fair. And then
वो
And
बहन
the-
से वो बंदी को पतली भी तो कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
तो पहले ही हो जाती थी ना फिर. पहले ही पैसा था तो पहले ही हो
I'll
जाती थी
train her. I'll train her
पतली. इतना टाइम
personally.
क्यों लगा? सत्यजीत आएगा, बॉडी जिम करवा के भेजेगा. हाँ,
personal
personal
trainer.
trainer.
Wait.
Then you can get all personally with her. But चलो next question.
And then the last one,
I'm scared for this one.
no seal, no deal.
What is that? देखो क्या QR कोड चिपका के भेजनी है लड़की देखो. क्या पेटी
Now
पूछी है तेरे को?
now the audience will interpret.
Okay, fine.
I'm not gonna speak
We're
about
not
it.
gonna speak
No
about
seal,
it.
no deal.
No seal, no deal is what Skadu's requirements are. So if you match them, there's Satyajit's email. Send in your photos.
Drop
and
in your resume.
drop in your
history.
resume.
and-
History.
Yeah.
अरे भाई.
Yeah,
चुप रह.
experience, personal experience.
If you are pretty fitness oriented and have extremely rich parents, please contact Satyajit.
And also, third point.
third and seal deal. अरे तू चुप रहे भाई. मरवा के भेजेगा. And now mine. So mine are tall. I don't know. It's just मैं भी थोड़ा हूँ लंबा तो I mean not I don't want her to be 6'5" और ऐसा कुछ but 5 के
बच्चे अच्छे
5
तेरे को
पाए।
लंबे चाहिए थे.
अरे I want my kids to be 6'2" also. तो हाँ tall is one of them which is not then it's fine. ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं है. तू क्यों शॉक हो गई? 6'2" हूँ मैं सच्ची में.
5'1".
Oh shit.
Five.
Damn. बहुत लंबा. Then ambitious. I think I would want somebody with an own goal, personal goal in life. Ambitious. And you are persistent towards your ideas. And you have you have an opinion of your own. That's all.
And third?
Fair, बस.
What fair?
बस
What do you mean by fair?
What do you mean by seal deal फिर तेरे को गांड मस्ती करनी है तो मैं भी करता हूँ फिर बोल. Fair, I mean, just fair.
Fair like
Just fair. चलो. So, fair and lovely क्या?
fair and lovely.
But yeah, just I mean,
shades
just
What if your ideal person, let's say the one, she's tall, almost your height. She's extremely ambitious, you know. She's
माँ बच्चों ये मेरे साथ मत करिए.
way ahead in her career, you know.
नहीं, I wouldn't want her
And
way ahead
she's
in
but-
career than mine.
But she's not fair at all.
At all, what do you mean? I
But
said
she's
fair. I mean, life
not-
should be fair. I
She's
meant.
not as fair as you'd like her to be. Then what would you do?
इस spot में डाल दिया.
मेरे
I
साथ
mean,
करिए.
नहीं यार उतना जितना भी मजाक तो I don't think so. नहीं यार, it's not a color issue. Just ऐसा तो कोई सीन नहीं है. But हाँ.
Say no to racism. वो hashtag आता है ना. अरे फुटबॉल.
I can't breathe भाई. चल next.
I can't breathe. Judge. I can't breathe.
अरे तू बस कर. Okay, shit. Yeah, please. Let's see. All right. Now coming to the final score. अभी नहीं रहेगा ऊपर याद रखना समझ. Now coming to the final score. Are you single or taken, Satyajit?
I am proudly single.
So am I. Proudly single. Ready to mingle or no?
With you.
अरे कर दिया ना gay podcast.
ये slides में
But-
इतना गे डाला है.
The color ना I think it's too.
ये फोटो भी.
फोटो आगे आएगा वो दिखाना नहीं है सबको. But हाँ I think yeah this sums it up कि end में we are leading quite single lives.
Yeah, and sad.
Not
sad.
not sad I guess.
Maybe it was sad at first, but now I think I've accepted it.
Now I think see I want to spend more time with myself before and make something of myself कि अब तो फिर तो
Yeah.
आए तो मतलब आ गए देखो ऐसा होना चाहिए फिर. So I mean I'll let nature take its time जो होगा देखा जाएगा. पहले मिली है तो आगे भी तो मिलने वाली तो उतना टेंशन लेके तो बैठूंगा नहीं कि बंदी नहीं मिल रही.
And if
I'll
I
make
think-
myself more this that oh okay fine
Yeah.
he's successful, he's working, good figure, ये वो bank balance XYZ everything is like a perfect thing.
Yeah. And I
Then
think
you would
if
look
we
out.
try, we can pull anyone.
हाँ ठीक है
we
पकड़
can,
तू
right?
वो कौन सी एक्ट्रेस का नाम ले रहे थे तुम लोग डकोटा कौन थी वो
Dakota Johnson, Dakota.
हाँ कर 50 Shades of Grey
अभी
वाली
मैं
को
message-
पकड़ उसको
I'll slide into
slide into her
slide
DMs.
into her DMs.
But
Our audience, whoever is single and is ready to mingle with you all, please email on
email on satyajit47
And
74 @gmail.com
Kadu,
Satyajit
with
Kadu
all the
Checklist.
एक Google form बनाते हैं.
Okay bye Google form बनाना
are approved by, I mean,
by you तुम लोग देख ले तुम
हाँ,
लोग
they'll
ऐसा
screen
कर
them. They'll do the
see
screening.
Mad Lads will be filtering हाँ now you'll have to look as good as them Mad Lads crew अरे हाँ काम करने का है तो आ जाओ
हाँ.
more people
We're always
are-
hiring.
पहले नजर में नहीं
but yes that's
Yeah, I think
That's
we're
it.
done.
I think
Thank
wow.
you so much.
Thank you so much this is a nakli photo
I तो look sexy as always.
बीच में
Look at his face. Constipated.
ठीक है भाई हो गया उसको वो फोटो भी बहुत पुराना हो गया but I think yeah that brings us to a wrap
Yeah, like, share, subscribe.
like share subscribe crazy था this video I
something
think
new.
comment हाँ comment करो guys
Yeah.
how obnoxious and how rude Kadu's comments were and his
It's just
types
a joke. Haha.
it's just a joke
Like.
yeah and guys check out our Instagram you can check out our YouTube and check out all the socials of all the team members and us we'll see
Yes.
you in another episode bye bye